So the first step would be with a 10mm socket. I am going to remove this bolt to release the frame that the old horn is currently connected to. Now that this is loose, we just have to pull these two magnetic clips off. Just like that. We won't be using the circular frame anymore because the new Mini Soundbomb is a different shape. So you can remove these. And slide this piece right out. So this part is up on user preference. This is the old horn. It comes with a black bracket to hold up your new horn. My bike is completely matted out. I would like for it to stay that way. I'm going to use a 10mm socket to remove this bolt and reuse the OEM black frame. If you don't want to do that, the package certainly comes with 2 of these silver frames. So up to your preference, however you want your bike to look. So you will notice that on the OEM piece or the new piece that comes with the bracket, there is a larger side and a smaller side. The new horn will be mounted to the smaller side, and this larger bolt will go back into the frame of the bike. I like to loosely fit everything, make sure that it's in a position that I want before I tighten anything down. So the smaller side will go here. And this will go down tight enough for it to be held in place, but not too tight that I can't move it. Using the OEM bolt and the cute little rubber padding, I'm going to place it up on the bike. So as you can tell, there is a little bit of a metal lip here to keep this from moving. I'm going to tighten this down last, but first I'm going to connect the 2 magnetic clips. So over on this side we will connect these. There we go. Using a regular 10mm wrench, I'm going to tighten this bolt down. Make sure you position it where you want it to be. If you want the sound to go upward, sideways, a little bit more down, I'm going to want it to be a little bit more to the side like this. Alright, that's not gonna go anywhere. At this time, you can turn on your bike just to make sure that the horn works, but I'm going to tighten down the bolts first.